Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna work on this icon. So it's going to be changed based on the status of the weather. And before we start, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Now what I'm gonna do is add a new property for this weather data class. So just come here and type final, and its type is going to be string. Then I will name it icon. Also, I still need to pass it to this constructor, and also here as well, icon JSON. Then here I'm going to add the path of this icon, and we can get the path from the API. So now I just opened the browser, and here under weather we have the icon. Just copy the path of it and then go back to Android Studio. I'll paste it here. Then the first part is weather, then second is the index, which is 0, then finally this part, icon. So now we have assigned the path to this icon argument, and whenever this constructor is called, all of these properties will be initialized. Second thing we have to do is importing the awesome font icons dependencies to this project. So first go back to your web browser, then type Flutter font awesome, yeah, this one, and click on the first link you have here. Then yeah, this is the right one. Then click on install, then copy this line, and you must paste it under the dependencies. Now just close this down, then double click on popspec.yaml, then here under the dependencies just paste it here, then click on packages get. Yeah, now it's done. The package is imported to this project. Now go back to the web browser and click on example and copy these two imports because we need them. Now click right click on lib, then new, then create a new Dart file. I will call it get icons. Then paste the imports here, then just write the new class. I'll name it get icons. Then here we will have a function, a static function of type icon, because I want to return an icon widget. I will explain it now. So first I'm gonna name the function get icon, and it takes an argument of type string. I call it icon code. So this function will be responsible for displaying the right icon based on the status of the weather. So here the code of the icon fetched from the API will be passed here. Then here we will have if conditions, and before we start writing the if condition we must go back to the web browser and type open weather map icons and click on this one and scroll down. Here we have all of the icon codes. This is for the day icon, and this is for the night icon, and we have here a brief description for each one. So I'm going to copy these codes and paste them here in Android Studio. I'm going to start typing the if condition. So the first one, icon code, equals the first one here we have 01D. 01D. If it equals 01D, then this function will return icon, then font, awesome icons, then a clear sky, that means it's sunny. I'm going to look for a sun icon, so let me just type sun. Here we have a list of options. I'll go with this one, solid sun, then semicolon here. If you want to change the color of it, you can just add this comma, then color, then colors. Amber. So here what this if condition does is check in if this icon, the one fetched from the API, matches this one. That means we're going to display this solid sun, which refers to the daytime. Otherwise we will check if the code passed from the API is equal 0, 1, and that means it's a nighttime. So we're going to display the icon for it. I'm going to copy this line and paste it here. Then I'm going to change this to moon. I'll go with this, the first option. Then there is no need for the color because I wanted this moon to be displayed with dark color. So now let's check if this function gonna work or not. This is the hard-coded one we have, which is this one. So I'm going to remove this part, and here I'm going first we need to import the get icon class, import get, which is this one. Now I can call the function. Then here the lead-in it is expecting a widget, and this class, this function returns a widget. So all we have to do, just type in the class name, then dot function name. Then here I'm going to pass the code of the icon for testing purposes, and we have the codes here, all of the codes here. So I'm going to pick this one, which is 01N. N stands for night. Then type it here, 01N. Then don't forget to add a comma here. Then I'm going to click hot reload. Actually it says there is an error message. Yeah, it is because of this part. I'm just gonna comment it out, so, and this will fix the issue. I'm going to click on hot reload. The icon has changed to the moon. Now I'm going to complete the rest of this if condition. So I'm going to copy and paste this part. Next we're going to check the second icon, which is this one. And it says a few clouds. So I'm not really sure if this font icon has few cloud. I'm going to check here. Actually here, cloud. Go with cloud sun. Actually it's going to be D. Then here. So now let's see the icon. Just click on hot reload. So it is a partially cloudy. I still need to change the color of the icon. I'll make it amber. Here I'm going to add this line. Then just here type add and click on hot reload. Yep, looks better. Then here I will repeat this code again to check the night mode or the night time. I'm going to change this icon to cloud. Let's see if there is a cloud moon. Yeah, we have it. and there is no need for a color because it is a night time, and the code of it is this one. So I'm going to pass it to the function and see. Click on hot reload. Exactly what I expected. Now the third one here, just copy this part and paste it again, and instead of having two if conditions, I'm going to have one here because it says scattered clouds. That means it doesn't make any difference whether it's in the morning or at night. This one must be changed to D. So it's going to check if the code we retrieved from the API is equal to 03D, which is at daytime, or if it matches this one at nighttime, then display cloud. I'm going to copy this one, then again paste it here and click on hot reload. Yeah, good. So now I'm going to pause recording and complete the rest of the code. As you can see, I just completed the rest of this code. Now all you have to do, just click on this display weather, and I'm going to pass the value we retrieved from the API and paste on it. The icon will be displayed. So just type $, curly brackets, then snapshot dot data dot icon. Just click on hot reload. Now as you can see, the icon has changed because it's sunny outside, and this icon will be changed after the sunset. So that's all about this project. Thank you, and see you in the next one.